Good morning, class. How are you doing? Yesterday we were at exercise or figure it out number 5 and we did some measurements of angles. Today also we will continue with the questions in the exercise practice part. It is now question number 6 that we have to start with. So find the degree measure of angle BXE, angle CXE, angle AXB and BXE. Now, in this question, you have been provided with the protractor, you have been provided with the angles and they are placed or aligned with the protractor. You just have to read the read the marking. How is the marking done? So angle BXE. So here, which angle is BXE? This you have to figure it out. That BXE, you must know which angle is BXE. This is also an exercise for you to remind you again how to name angle. So this is BXE and we have to measure this angle. Now see the protractor. The reading starts from 0 and then we start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. After 110 there are 4 lines, so 114, and the ray BX is coinciding with 115th. Therefore, angle BXE is 115 degree. Okay. Now next is angle CXE. I have drawn the angle for you so that you are also able to recognize. However, you have to yourself recognize it. Next is angle CXE. So we take this angle CXE. This is angle CXE. The vertex is X and the rays are CX and XE. Now again start with the 0 reading. XE line is aligning with the 0 degree. So you would start it with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. After 80, there are 4 lines. See carefully. There are 4 lines and ray XC is coinciding with the 5th line. So how much it would become? The measure of angle would become 85 degree. Here the measure is 115 degree. So you can say that CX is coinciding with, coinciding means overlapping. Overlapping with 85 degree. Therefore angle CXE is 85 degree. Now here one point to be noted is whether you write angle EXC or CXE, it is same because the measure remains same. Then next question is angle AXB. angle AXB. Now angle AXB is having one of the ray on the left hand side and this is your AXB. So now your protector reading would start with the ray, which ray is coinciding with zero line. It is coinciding, AX is coinciding. So our reading would start with 0 from this side, left hand side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After 60, there are 5 lines to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is around 65 degree. So you would say that BX is coinciding with 65 degree. Therefore, angle AXB is 65 degree. Then the last angle BXC. So let me make it BXC, angle BXC. It is something like this. Now angle BXC would be found, you have found angle AXB and you have found, first we will find for angle BXC, how will we do angle AXC minus angle AXB. So how this is done, like here it is AXC, now see here AXC is going from ray AX to XC. Okay, this is the turning. And AXB is going from AX to BX. Okay, so how would you calculate this angle BXC? This is what you have to calculate. So this ray is, what is the total angle of AXC? We would find AXC is starting from AX is on the left hand side coinciding with the zero line. So you will start reading from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 95. So your AXC is 95 degree minus, what is AXB? You have already found 65. So you would get angle as 30 degree. So this part is important because here you have you don't have to read the lines into, even you can read the lines in between, but we are adopting a different method where we are starting with the AX ray. Alternative method would be its alternative what we would see here BX. What is the reading of BX ray? Now BX is coinciding with 65. Since AX is 0, so where is BX lying? You will start reading from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. So 65 degree, and CX is at 105. Sorry, CX is at 85. So now we go to next question. Question number 7. Find the degree measure of PQR, PQS and PQT. So first of all, you have to see the turning of the angles from where they are going till what point. PQR. So you would start with PQR here. This is your, sorry, a bit slanting line PQ. So this is your PQ and R. So I would draw R here. This is your PQR. So let's measure PQR. From where to where the turning would go? From PQ to QR. The turning would be like this. So let's put the center of the protector at vertex, align the line, and we would get it like start from reading 0, 10, 20, 30, and this is 40 degree. So your PQR is 40 degree. I can write over here PQR is 40 degree. Then PQS. So PQ means starting from ray PQ only and going till S. So now draw the next line, which is QS, next ray, that is QS. So now what will you do? Again align the angle with PQ, align your D with PQ center at the vertex, and then start reading from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and it is 100. So it is around 100 degree. So turning would be like this, PQ to QS. This is 100 degree. Now answers may vary from book. Then you have PQT. So QT is here a slanting line, a ray. Now what is the rotation? What is the turning? From PQ to QT. This is the rotation. Okay, so how would we measure? Again, we put the vertex at Q, align PQ with 0 and start from 0 reading. Align PQ with line, this protector line, and start reading 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 and 150. So your PQR is 40, angle PQS is 100 and angle PQT is 140. I think we got. Sorry, 150 we got. So this is your angle PQT. So this is how you have to do the question number 7. You have to one by one draw the line which is asked. First you draw RQ, measure the angle, then you draw QS, then you draw QT and measure the angles. Now question number 8, you try on your own. If you are not able to do, then we will do it here only. Let's move to question number 9. Measure all the 3 angles of a triangle shown in figure 2.21a and write down the measurement of the respective angle. Now add up the 3 measures. What do you get? Do the same for the triangles in figure 2.21b and c and for both the triangles, and then make what happens in general. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have been given a triangle. What is triangle? Triangle means the figure which is having 3 angles and 3 lines. So how we get 3 angles? Question number 9. We have got a triangle here. So 1 line, 2 lines I have drawn of a triangle. So first let's mark it. This is C, this is A, this is B. Okay, so measure this angle CAB. How would you measure? Put the center at the vertex A, because CAB, angle CAB. So vertex is middle one. So vertex is A. Align the line AB. AB is going in the right direction. So align it here and start from the 0 reading. So you would get 10, 20, 30, 40 and it is around 40. Let me increase this. So it is around 47. Then what you have to do is join BC. So let me join BC. Now we will take another vertex, say B. So we have already taken A. Now next vertex is B, because there are 3 angles. So we would take now the protector to the second vertex, which is B, and align the line with 0 line and start measuring the angles. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and it is coming out to be 50. So angle CAB is 47. Angle, now what will be the name of this angle? Do write in the comment box if you are able to name. How would you name? This B is the vertex, so I would write B, and the other two endpoints are A and C. So ABC is 50 degree. This is the sign for degree. It is like this, but you have to make it small, not bigger as 0. You have to make it small. Now which angle is left? Two angles we have done. Third angle is angle C. So we will put the center of the protector at C, align it with A, and let me extend this line here so that I am able to, you don't need to extend, your protector is small, mine is large one, so I need to do it exact. So I would get it around, starting from, I have aligned it with AC. So starting from 0, I get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So around 83 degree. So when you add up the 3 CAB plus ABC plus ACB, you get total 47 degree plus 50 degree plus 83 degree, and your total becomes, let us calculate, 47, 50, 83. This is 7 plus 3, 10. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8, 180 degree. So answer comes out to be 180 degree. So this is how you have to do the question. When you measure other two triangles, so you would measure it and you would get that sum of 3 angles of second and third triangle is also 180 degree. You would get the sum as 180 degree. You have to repeat the procedure that we did here, and in general you can, the result is sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so this is how you have to do question number 9. Now we move to figure it out number 6. Where are the angles? I think it is mind the mistake and mend the mistake. So this mistake I have already done with you. I think the alignment mistakes that you need to remember is that you have to align the angle with 0 of the, align the line with AB. Okay, so align the line with AB or align the line with CA, like this, align the line with CB. So basically what they are saying is that you have to align it with the line of the protector and start the reading from 0. So from one or two classes I am repeatedly telling you that you have to start with the 0 reading and you have to align the ray in the direction in which it is. So if the ray is in right direction, you would align the protector in right direction. If the ray is in left direction, then you have to align it in left direction. So this already we have discussed. So now we move to next of the figure it out.